Here we've got the number 7 of the January 2022 paper, and it says that we have to complete the shape by following the sequence, following the pattern. We notice that you have every new shape has a new octagon. So you have 1 octagon, 2 octagons, 3 octagons, 4 octagons. So this one will have 4 octagons because this is a repetition of figure 3. So we just complete another octagon inside the shape, and in between the octagons, you complete a parallelogram up there, and you complete a parallelogram down there. You can use YouTube to verify your answer. Now comes the table. The table, without even reading all of this jargon, because that takes time, you look at the table and you are familiar with that table, you notice that when you look at this table, you need to complete the formulas. So let's get the formulas by applying coordinate geometry. We need 2 points, and seeing that we need 2 formulas, we can get them one time. 1 and 8, 1 and 8, 2, 16, and 14. Okay, so 1 and 8, 2 and 16, that will give us the formula for D. 1 and 8, 2 and 14, that will give us the formula for P. So let's get the formula for D first. 1 and 8, 2 and 16. So that's a question we have done already, a similar question. So let's just follow the steps of finding the equation of a straight line. That's for the January 2022. So I can just copy this, copy both of them. We've got 2 formulas. Let's find them one time. January 2022. Okay. Sequences. What we said? We said 1 and 8, 2 and 16. 1 and 8, 2 and 16. Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1, the formula for gradient. 16 minus 8 over 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is very common because we're using the first 2 points. Okay, so therefore now 60 minus 8 is 2. 2 is equal to 2. Okay, 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. Now we need to find the y-intercept. M is 2. We need the equation of a straight line. Y is equal to mx plus c. M is equal to 2. And we need a point. Let's use a smaller point. 1 and 8. The reason why we're using a point because a point has x and y in it, and m is 2. So 8 will come in the place of y, 2 will come in the place of m, and 1 will come in the place of x. Okay, 4 2s are 1. 2 1s are 2, sorry. Okay, and we have 8. So we have to subtract 2 from 8 to get 6. The y-intercept is 6. So our equation to find the number of dots, but this was a proof from a previous, was black dots, but number of dots D is 2n plus 6. So voila, we have found the first formula for D. Now we are going to find another formula now for P, perimeter. And what we said, 1 and 8, 2 and 14. 1 and 8, 2 and 14. So doing this a number of times gives us the practice and the skills to master finding the equation of a straight line, at the same time applying these 2 sequences. 14 minus 8, yes, over 2 minus 1, using the first 2 points. 14 minus 8, that will give us 6, okay? It'll give us 6 again. So it has the same gradient of 6, but the y-intercept should be different because we are using 1 and 8. And here our y-intercept is 8. Our y is 8, our x is 1, our m is 6. So we have 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 will give us so much. 8 minus 6 will give us 2. So to find P for perimeter, not total now, P is equal to 6n plus 2. So that's our two formulas. 2n plus 6, 6n plus 2. Six n plus 2 6n plus 2 2n plus 6. 2n plus 6. Is it 2 marks? No. We can find the number of dots. N is 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 6. That will give us so much.
14.
Just a minute. It's supposed to be increasing. Something is wrong somewhere. 2n plus 6. It's supposed to be more. It's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be increasing. It's supposed to increase by 8. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. There, just by looking at this is supposed to be it's increasing by 4. No, it's increasing by how much? By 8. So that's supposed to be 32. That's supposed to be 32. 8, 16, 24, 42. So something is wrong in our calculations. What did we use? Oh, you see our mistake? You see the mistake, right? You see the mistake? All right. So everybody's supposed to have the 8, yes. And the reason for that is a copy and paste. It's a copy and paste. It's a copy and paste. Now that's going to affect this gradient that's supposed to be 8, right?
Yes.
It will be 8, and that's supposed to be 8 equal 8. And yeah, and then 8 times 1 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0, so the y-intercept is 0. So it's 8n. 8n alone. 8n. So there, this is supposed to be simply 8n because you can easily see the pattern. Now, the main reason why I got the formula is not really for the pattern. You can easily see the pattern here. You just add in 8. Okay, and this one comes next, so that is 24 plus 8 is 32. But yeah, sorry about that. But here now, to get the other marks, you need the formula. Okay, so the formula now is 8n. 4 8s are 42. Okay, and this is 610 plus 20. Let's verify the formula from the pattern. 8 and how much? 8 and 6 is 14 and 6 is 20. 20 and 6 is supposed to be 26. If we substitute 4 into this formula, will we get 26? Right. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 2 is 26. Okay. Another thing that you need the formula for is Here again, you are given P. You have to solve for D and the figure. So now we substitute 86 into the place of the formula and work out for N, and then we can use that N to find D. Okay, so that's why the formula is important. Although you might see a pattern to get the numbers, but getting the formula is important because you can use the formula now to easily answer a question, not just to get the marks at the end, but to answer these questions. Here they give us P. Okay, we are given P. P is 86. And we have to solve for N. Subtract 2. So 2N will give us 84. And then we divide 84 by 6. What is 84 divided by 6? Give us N.
14.
N is 14 in that case. So here now, we put 14 for N. And we can use that 14 now to find D. 8 times 14. What is 8 times 14?
112.
112. So getting the formula is very, very efficient, a very efficient way to approach a question like that. And to get the formula, you simply apply the steps for finding the equation of a straight line, which comes from coordinate geometry.